the word become. To change or transform into something, become a doctor, become a leader, become stronger. She wants to become a doctor and help people. Over the years, he became a leader in the tech industry. He's been training hard and has become stronger with every session to indicate the process of development or progress. Become more confident, become successful, become clearer. As she gained more experience, she became more confident in her decisions. With dedication, he became successful in his career. After a few hours, the instructions became clearer, and everyone understood. To express a new role, status, or identity, become a parent, become a citizen, become a member. They are excited to become parents for the first time. He worked hard to become a citizen of the country. You can become a member of our club by filling out an application to indicate a state of being or condition. Become ill, become unhappy, become tired. She suddenly became ill after the long flight. He became unhappy when he didn't receive the promotion. After a long day at work, she became tired and needed rest. To show the transition or shift in time or circumstance, become clear, become inevitable, become urgent. Over time, it became clear that the project would need more funding. The situation became inevitable, and we had no choice but to act. As the deadline approached, the task became urgent, and everyone rushed to complete it.